All aboard!
Greetings. You're invited to a one-of-a-kind train ride. Tonight, you'll enjoy the glamour of the time period while you play a game. A game that can be life
Miss,
or...
if this train doesn't leave on time, it'll be the death of me.
This will be a train ride like none you've ever experienced. Each car will not only have guests, but suspects. The service will be world class. The wines are divine. However, the gourmet cuisine will be served with a side of suspense and danger. On this train ride, it will not just be the views outside you will need to pay attention to. Every detail could be a clue. Missing a clue, that can be murder.
Hey, what
What's happening? Hold on. Somebody turn on the lights.
Oh, you hurt.
Everyone stay where you are. I'm Detective Lawson. There have been 2 murders here. The person responsible is on this train. Some of you are contestants whose job it is to solve this crime. Some of you are suspects. One of you is a killer.